Hi everybody, welcome back. This is an elastic crystal buzzer. Very realistic and costs tuppence to make. First of all, size 10 hook or a size 12, black thread. I tie in about 10mm near the eye. Then I snip off the excess. Then I get some elastic crystal, comes in various colours. Now cut off about 30mm. Hold it between your finger and thumb, both ends, and then you twist it together and gently push, and this will twist upon itself, and this creates the body of the buzzer. And then getting the body between your finger and your thumb, place it alongside the hook and tie it in. Doesn't matter how you tie it in, as long as you don't go over the eye. And then once you're happy you've got it nice and tight, just slight adjustment, pull on it, it is elasticated, snip off the excess by the eye. I'm happy with that. I just level the head off with black thread. And you get any colour strip now, and I'm just using red for demonstration purposes, but at the end you'll see the variety of buzzers that I've made. And again, it looks a bit rough at first, don't worry too much about it. Get a couple of threads down, get some colour in, wrap it round 2 or 3 times, snip off the excess, and then I twist the thread to make it nice and tight, put my finger just a couple of mil behind the eye, and then build up that head nice and tight. Whip finish, trim off any excess, and then using my lighter, but covering the tail with my fingers, I will just burn off any straggles around the eye. Now I use bone dry for the head, a nice covering of bone dry all the way around, and just a very small amount at the base of the body of the buzzer, because you want that tail to move around in the water, because that's what they do, buzz around. UV light, make it all nice and hard. And that is it. It is so simple to make. And again, the colours, olive, black, orange, whatever you want to make it, mix and match. Simple. In fact, this afternoon I made about 30 red bodies, black bodies, olive bodies. Nice long leader, floating line. This is going to be devastating in the spring. Thanks very much for watching, everybody, and I'll catch you later.